Hey there! Get ready for a revolutionary change in the swag game. Our latest platform upgrade is not just about receiving awesome branded products, it's a gateway to transparent cost-saving breakdowns. Immerse yourself in the realm of tiered pricing, where ordering more means lower per unit costs. Discover tier pricing effortlessly in just a few steps. Start your swag journey by heading to the branding shop page. Once there, pick your desired item and proceed by clicking on it. As you scroll down, witness the insightful breakdown of pricing per unit, showcasing reductions with each tier. Additionally, take note of the production time linked to your chosen item and its availability in specific quantities displayed in adjacent columns. Confidently explore the revamped branding shop, harnessing tiered pricing to optimize your budget. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date on the latest Giftpack tutorials. Thanks for tuning in, and catch you in the next one.